Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Mailchimp email. First, you will create your free Mailchimp account and verify your email address. Once logged in, navigate to the audience dashboard. Here, you can manage all your contacts. You can easily import existing contacts from a file or add new subscribers manually, ensuring your list is ready for your first campaign. This initial step is crucial for building your email foundation. Next, it is time to design your email. Mailchimp offers hundreds of pre-designed templates to get you started quickly. Select one that fits your message, then customize it with your brand's specific colors and logo. Add engaging text, high-quality images, and clear calls to action. Remember, a visually appealing and well-structured email significantly increases engagement with your audience. Before sending, configure your campaign settings. Give your campaign a clear name, craft an enticing subject line, and confirm your sender details. Mailchimp allows you to segment your audience, sending specific messages to different groups. This personalization can boost open rates by 20% or more. Finally, schedule your email to send at a time when your audience is most likely to engage. The final step is crucial. Review everything carefully. Use the preview feature to see how your email appears on both desktop and mobile devices. Always send a test email to yourself or a colleague to catch any last-minute errors. Double-check all your settings, from the subject line to the recipient list. Once you are confident, hit the send button and launch your campaign to your eager audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.